we're at World Time Attack. It's going to be a sick weekend. Let's get out and blaze some time. Howdy guys, welcome to another Keep It Rick YouTube episode. Today we're in Sydney and it's almost night time. That's because we're at World Time Attack. We're here for the first practice session under lights. We've got the barrel wags back out of custom. You watched the last video, Jazz.
She's got more boost.
She's got all the powers. She's got 650 real kilowatts.
Nice.
Oh, get out of me, lot. This guy's trying to follow me all the way from New Zealand as well.
Long way from home, boy.
1200 Newton meters. And we got the sticky boys ready to put it on Daigo's door and Goofy's door. We got Brody, now campaign of NZ, Taylor James, Matt Harvey. Who else do we got?
Mad Mike.
Oh, yeah, Mad Mike. Yeah. Gaz Wider. Yeah.
Anyway, that's it. We're practice.
Let's get in the car. They got a different layout to last year, like a little bit wider outer lines. A good line actually to promote door on door. So we'll see if we can tame the beast. For the first time, we've got a good amount of practice like tonight. A few hours, isn't it, Jar?
2 hours.
Yeah, it's keen as. It's going to be a sick weekend, so stay tuned.
Swear I can feel something. Oh wait, it's the Barra Blaze hoodie. If you want the Barra blazing on your back, get down keepitrate.com and buy yourself a Barra Blaze.
We're back, day 2, about to go out for our full lap demo and then we'll be back tonight for our qualifying. So let's get out and blaze some time. We've got a couple of issues we're trying to sort, we'll go through it soon.
One with me as well, yeah?
maybe 2 practice laps. I got to fill you in on the issues we've been having. The main one being we had a big hesitation. Every time we come off throttle, the car, and back on throttle, the car would delay for a half a second to a full second, worse than anything we had in the whole D1NZ. So we've spent ages trying to fix it. Luckily, we figured out the map sensor was playing up the calibration with the new one with the more boost with the fresh turbo. Jesse played with it a bit before the demo, and then Trent from Check-In came over and refined it even more and did a bit of testing. You could get it to sort of copy it on jack stands and with a bit of boost gets fit, so we should be good to go. No issues like we were having all yesterday in practice. Yeah, let's do it, JB Rolden. Let's send it. Here to have some fun. Lots of cool drivers. Car's spicy. Send it.
Hey! Oh, we've had some success, Gary.
Yeah, can't believe it. The car's running. Yeah. Just did our first quali, 88 points, baby. We're sitting second, and I think we're holding second still. The second, people are starting to go for their second run. My tyres pretty much cooked. It's feeling skaty as Jesse's trying to find out if we can change tyres. They're fighting it. Apparently, JB Rolder's fought the rule and maybe might be able to do it. But I think yeah, I don't know. We'll see what happens. We'll need to send it. I want to drop pressure a bit. Gonna off-roll anti-day this one for a bit more impact. Try to get right on that line and max the revs too, and just keep foot flat. See if we can get that 100-point runner. Change it. That's it. Qualifying done. Day one done. Cheers, Jassy. Time for the Coca-Colas.
That's it. I'm not finished.
Time to get on the beers. Haven't said that in a while.
We're responsible.
Woo! Jazzy's excited because he hasn't seen the 100% commitment Farron in a while.
I just watched the run.
I was happy. Disappointed with the points that I got. Gangs. JB Rolders will tell you a bit more about it in a second.
Foot flat, edge of track. Oof. Oof.
I was very happy.
Premium.
Very happy. Still struggling with the first outer clip, but I reckon I'm still feeling it. Cars can. There's not much else we could want.
You told
Battle in some grip tomorrow. What's that?
Have you told him where you?
Oh yeah. How we qualified ninth. So it's not bad. We beat Mad Mike. That's all that matters. We're ready to blaze it tomorrow. So if we were in the top 8, we would have got a buy run because it's a top 24. But no, we're 9th, so
it's just more
we'll be
practice,
leading
mate.
all of it.
Practice.
We're going to be struggling to get 2 laps out of these tyres, I think.
Yeah.
We're pretty much rinsing them in 1 lap, which is pretty full on.
Yeah.
1200 newtons.
2 corners.
I think that practice session you just did at the end means you now don't have enough tyres to go to the end.
I used the dead ones that last one.
Got a few.
Do you want to give them your analysis?
Not happy about it. Dan Mackey f***ed us. No, we did exactly what they asked, and the commitment from zone 1, snap out, no bobbling, no left foot brake. Everyone was left foot braking, even though I asked in the briefing if left foot braking was what they wanted. They said no. So that's pretty confusing. But all that matters at the end of the day is we got.
Stewie said that I did it.
Yeah, Stewie said that was
the
me.
most nitpicky boy in the world. But we are running our costume, so he's a little bit biased.
All that matters at the end of the day is that we got the barrow wags running min, and Jason did the run that we wanted to do.
I reckon I've done my
95-point run and my 100-point run, that one that we got in practice.
Well, I reckon that one was better than the one in practice.
Yeah, true.
Well, I mean, they
We
penalised
brought the
him for-
FD judges over it.
Out of zone 1, he might have been a little bit more shallow than normal, but everyone was shallow in out of zone 1 pretty much. So.
Didn't even see it.
Yeah, you couldn't see it from up there because the smoke was lingering, but I don't really care at the end of the day. It is what it is. Jace did the exact line that we tried to work on all weekend because they told us that. I'm happy
Biggest
with
thing
that.
out of it, we got some confidence. Cars carrying. We've had more battle practice than anyone else, and we're probably up there with the quickest cars. So we get some more battle practice, refine the grippers. So I've got that perfect fine point. Blaze another full track demo. And this time Jassy won't put the 360 cam in photo mode. Nice photo there. Put photo in.
Really?
Oh, man.
Welcome. The nerds
came
didn't
on.
set up the camera for.
Alright, that's it. Day 1 done. Back tomorrow for the competition. See you there. Beer time.